Hello everybody, good evening. I was assigned by RG to say something for Peter. Peter wanted to retire. I requested him to defer sa iyang plans to retire. May gani kay Ginoo. He is one of my very valued co-employee, and I really did not have any problems sa GSD with him as the supply officer. Mga reports like the fixed asset insurances, renewal sa LTO registration sa mga vehicles, he is really up to date. I really would miss him. Kung mahimo pa lang, dili pagyod na ako siya ipa-retire. Pero wala na'y kauban si Fiona, his friend after Sindong. Pete, good luck sa imuhang pag-retire. And unta mo bisita paghihapon ka sa amo, pero kabalo kung tapulan ka, di ka na gyud mo bisita. Pero anyway, good luck to you and to all the other retirees. Si Droyins, Jun Paho, Buloy, and Berndags. And I wish you all good luck sa second phase sa atong kinabuhi, the retirement years.